Dear ServiceNow community, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss another exciting use case of script include where we will see how to pass multiple values from script include to a client script. Until now, we have seen passing of one value from script include to client side. But in today's use case, we will demonstrate how to pass multiple values using an JSON object. For today's video, our use case is when we select origin task in problem table, all task details populate in its section with task number, priority, assignment group, approval state, and short description. So these are the multiple values which are required to pass from script include, and we will use it in client side of scripting. You can pause it here and read what this use case is. Until now, I am moving to my personal development instance to demonstrate what this use case is. So in problem table, we have this section called origin task. And to demonstrate, we have created another section called the task details. In this section, we have created 5 new fields: task number, task priority, approval, assignment group, and description. So if you don't know how to create these fields, you just need to simply go here, configure form design. Once the form stop loading, using this plus button, okay, using this plus button, you can create a section and there you can add the field. What kind of field I have added? From here, I have added a string field. Okay, you just need to drag and drop here, and thereafter you need to give the label, the backend name, and I made it read only. So this is the simple thing. I'm not going to explain. You can do it your own. After this, we have developed some script like mainly the client side scripting and the script include. While I'm selecting any value from here, suppose we have selected this third value, change 5. Okay. What will happen? This section is being updated by these many values: the task number, approval state, description, priority, and the assignment group. So how we have done this? Before going to our scripting part, we just need to understand what a JSON object is. I have just opened this background script and I have a sample JSON to make you explain. JSON is basically a key value pair. Okay, this is the JSON object, and here you will see the name is ServiceNow training and placement, topic is ServiceNow, subtopic is script include. So how we can access these value? We can access the value using this key. Suppose if I wanted to access this name, what we can do is I'm just simply adding an info message, or you can do print as well. I'm writing channel name. So you will see here this name value is printed here. Like we are able to access this name value. So simply JSON is a key value pair used to exchange data between application such as web services or API. Okay. So I hope the JSON thing is clear to all of you. Now, from here, I am going to start with this scripting part, like how we have created this client script and script include. how we are passing the value from script include and how we are extracting it on client side. Okay, so because we are changing this origin task value, we need to create an on change client script first. Before we skip to the coding part, let's understand the learnings from this session. We will learn how to return multiple values using a JSON object in script include, then how to work with JSON in ServiceNow, thereafter use of JSON.parse and JSON.stringify. Guys, one request, please subscribe to this channel. I just guys, please subscribe to my channel. This really motivates me to create good content for all of you. Okay, moving back to on coding part. As I explained, we are changing this origin task. The first thing I need to create is the on change client script. So without wasting, I am just going to configure client script. I'll write populate task section. The type will be on change. Okay. On change of this field, origin task. Let's save this. We need to create a script include as well. So I'm going here. Under the system definition. I'll write get task details. Make it client callable by clicking on this glide Ajax enabled. Save this. Create a base role. Now, so I have created the required infra. Now, what I need to do is I just need to create a function where we will fetch the details. So function will be get details. Let's say task details. So this is the standard syntax to create a function in the script include. Now, call this script include and this function in this client callable. I'm not writing any logic now. I'm just completing the basic infra first. So going here, create a glide edges constructor where j equals to glide edges. Okay. Add parameter to call the function. This. Now, I need to pass the value of the field we are changing. So the field is origin task. And what will be the value of? We are selecting a new value. So if I'm selecting this will be the new value. Okay. So here I do ga.add pair. And add simply sys underscore task. And what I'll do, again a callback function with this get xml. Right, callback function. Where? So if you are confused between how I have written all this syntax, I have explained this syntax multiple time in my previous videos. Each and every parameter I have already explained. So if you have any doubt, go back and watch the previous video from the same playlist. Okay. Script include. Hmm. Our basic part is ready. Now I just need to complete the function which is responsible for getting the multiple values. Where we will write? We will write it in the script include now. Okay. So here what I'll do, this section is referring to task table. Okay. So I just need to glide the task table and get the detail based on the new value we are selecting. So simply I'll write where gr task equals to new glide record, which table? Task table. Okay. Add query. Now I need to add query that we need to find the sys ID. Okay, because task table must be having multiple data, but the sys ID should be matching with the, let me explain this step to you as well. So data. So suppose we are finding this table, okay? We are finding record for this data. What I'll do, okay, so among these, among so many records, our sys ID should be matching with this. So like, okay, no, I just do so data, not so definition. Okay, and if I do here, sys ID starts with this. Okay, so this record we will get from this task table. So similar thing we will do using this coding thing. Okay, so sys ID should be matching with this, what? The new value. And how we will get the new value? We will get this using this dot get parameter. Okay, and it will be saved in this system task. Okay, so new value will be stored in this system task and we will be sending it to our this script include using this dot get parameter. Okay, if you ever confused how we are using this dot get parameter, because we are extending this abstract ajax processor, the base ajax processor, and this get parameter is defined here. So I am using this function which is defined here. Okay, we can inherit the property of this extending script include because we have extended this. Now hope this is clear. What I'll do now, gr task dot query. So this is the one record, so we will use if we get this record, if gr task dot next. So now we need to create a JSON object and we need to store the value in that JSON object. Let me increase the screen shade a bit so this will clear to all of you. Now what I'm doing is I am initializing a JSON object. Let's give a name task array or say task details. Okay, this is good name. Okay, so what I need to do is task details dot, let's say, number. What now? What it will be? I'll do the number from this task table. Okay, We can copy the backend name of this task from here. Okay, see number, then approval. Okay, you can check it from this JSON, like what all field we required. This is the approval field. Okay, so I am writing here, you can copy this number. In this number field, it number will go. Let's convert it to a string. Okay, then ask details. Let's say priority, go in order. Priority equals to G ask dot priority dot get display value. Okay, let me copy this 3, 4, all 5 parameter. After priority, we have approval. So it will be approval and it is toString. Okay. Thereafter, we have this assignment group. I'm giving assignment group simple name. And in the last, we have short description. I'm giving ST. Okay. Thereafter, gr short description. Not, it will be toString. Okay. So here I have assigned the values to this JSON. Now we need to return it. Okay. So while returning the value, we need to stringify it. Why? I have prepared a slide for this. Read the second line. When sending data to a web server, the data has to be a string. Okay. And you can convert any JavaScript data type into a string using this JSON.stringify. So how we can do this, like whenever we are having the key value pairs in a JSON object, how we can convert into a string? Let's go here. Okay, let's say this is the JSON. Okay, we have used. So how we can stringify it? Simply write. I'm writing where result equals to JSON.stringify. Okay, and pass this channel. Okay, if I do print this, you can see here it has converted this JSON into an string so that it can be it can be exchanged between the web server. Okay, so similarly we need to do in our scripting as well. Okay, where what I'll do, I'll just write return. Here what I need to return this task detail because we are saving in this task detail itself. Now our script include part is completed now. Okay, what I need to do is I just need to fetch those value on the client side now. Okay, you can pause and see like what all coding part I have done here. Okay, now I am moving back to our the script include. Okay, so whenever we are sending the data in a string format, we need to convert it back into an JSON object. And how we can do this is we can do it using the JSON.parse. Okay, so under our callback function, what I need to do is you can simply read it from here. When receiving data from a web server, the data is always a string. So pass the data with json.parse and the data becomes a JavaScript object, or we can say the JSON object. So here what I'll do, I'll simply write where I'll create an object, json.parse. Okay. So whatever we are returning from this script include will be saved in this answer variable. So I'll simply write answer. Okay. Now, now we can simply set those value by using g underscore form dot set value. Okay. Where I need to set is I need to set in these field. So I need to pick the backend name of these fields. Okay. Ask number. Dot number. Okay, copy it from here or to avoid any mistake. Okay, similarly I'll do it for the other fields as well. 2 3 4 5 field. Okay, and what we have here, no, we have here priority, then we have this approval, then we have assignment group, then we have this description. Okay, and map with this object like priority is defined as here priority, approval is approval, assignment group is AG, short description is ST. Okay, so both the coding part is ready now. The client script and the script include both. So now we can test it. Save this and save our script include for the safer side. Okay. Open a problem record now. So currently task details are not populating, and if I select anything from here, let's select this change 007. Looks like I made some mistake here. Okay, so on this client script I made a simplest mistake. This should be sysperm, not syperm. Okay, remove this alert. I put it for the testing. Now, if I reload this again, so select some change number, and you will see here this task number is updated with the change number, then approval state, description, priority, and the assignment group. All those value are being fetched from this task table. Okay, because this record is an child of this task table. Okay, so approval state, database, priority, okay, then description. Okay, so this is an interesting use case. If you like this video, please drop some comment. If you have any question, please ask, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is one of the longest video I have put till now. So I am very thankful for your patience if you have watched it.